TFNN.
Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's making a great night, folks. Always do your best. Take action on your ideas. Doing your best means to take action on your ideas. You have many great ideas in your head. Without action upon an idea, there'd be no manifestation, no results, and no reward. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 154. NASDAQ is up 76. S&Ps are up 21. Percentage-wise, what we have out here, folks, is that you have the Dow Industrials up 0.6%, NASDAQ up 1%, and the S&P's up 0.6%. Gold contract right now is trading up $3.10 at $12.5660. We have silver flat $16.05. Light sweet crude down $1.23, trading in $72.91. We go over to that crude market. We take a look at crude. What you're going to see, we had the crude numbers come out this morning. Bottom line, little volatility inside that market from the highs to the lows. This is what we had. We had a high out here today in this contract of 72.34. You got a low of 70.35. Right now, this is trading out at 70.63. Bottom line is that it still seems that it doesn't want to get off of those highs. Notes and bonds. 10-year note down one tick, 120.08. 30-year bond up 6 at 145.17. Now, both notes and bonds, folks, and we had the Fed funds minutes come out from the June meeting. Bottom line, the Fed, the 10-year and the 30-year will not come back off of the swing area that it looks like it wants to test. And the swing area that we want to test is 121.03. It's the highs of May 30th. They're laying right there right now. We're at 120.08 for a slow day in the summer, the day after July 4th. There's a lot of volume in the 10-year. We get over 1 million contracts. Now, what we definitely have happening here at midnight tonight, the bottom line is that the tariffs go on about 34 to 50 billion of Chinese goods. What the Chinese have said is that they are going to retaliate immediately if, in fact, that switch gets pulled. Well, bottom line is that it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and I suspect the switch is not only going to get pulled. We'll see on the other side of what switch gets pulled on the Chinese side, meaning what goods are going to have a tariff on them. Right now, if we look in the futures market, copper is down 3%. You get coffee off 2.5%. Crude's down 1.5%. Wheat is up almost 3%. You got cocoa up 1.1%. Unleaded gas, that's laying out here kind of, well, it's up 0.3%. Unleaded gas right now is trading out at 212 per gallon unleaded gas. The gold contract, we take a look at the gold contract. What we had with gold out here, gold had caught a bid on Tuesday. Nice bid, went higher. We went from 12.38 to 12.58. We got up to 12.62 today. That's a decent follow-through. And it had the volume behind the move again, which is impressive. Bottom line, it needs a lot more than this, but gold's got to start. The GDX, which is the gold stocks, bottom line is that this baby is up 18 cents. Your first swing point is this 22.67, which we're right at right now, 22.66. And bottom line, it's going to have more than likely going to have the volume too, and that's impressive because of the fact that it's a slow day. I do expect what we're going to see here is that this GDX wants to go up and go after $23.30. That was the high that was established on the 18th. If we go take a look at some of the higher volume equities in this market right now, actually, let's go into the NDX first. We'll see strength versus a weakness. So strength inside the NDX 100 is that you got Skyworks is up almost 4%. Maximum Integrated is up 3%. You got Qualcomm up 3%. And you got Xilinx up 2.9. Now, you can see inside that NDX 100, as soon as those chip stocks start moving, man, that's when that thing can take off. C-Trip is putting negative in it. That's down 3%. You get Tesla off 1.4. Charter Communications is down 1. Inside the Dow Industrials, strength versus the weakness inside the Dow Industrials. Point-wise, what we have out here is that you have Chevron putting 4 negative points in, Travelers 2, United Technologies 1. Putting Health into it, or positive points, you get United Health putting 21. You get Johnson & Johnson putting 14, Caterpillar's putting 11. What is pretty wild here is that for the number of stocks that basically up versus down inside the Dow Industrials, that's not a big number. That Dow can go south in about 2 seconds. The 2 largest weighting stocks inside the GDX would be Barrick Gold. Barrick Gold is up 19 cents right now. That swing point that it's going after, we're laying right next to it, and it has volume, so I expect you're going to go after it. $13.80, April 27th. We did 7.8. We're already done 6 million shares today. That's a nice way of coming into it, meaning going after it. If we take a look at Newmont, which is the largest weighting structure inside the GDX. Newmont right now, that's up 80 cents, and what that did do on Tuesday, it got inside its higher range. Anything inside $38.15, that's the higher range, and Newmont needs about like one more real day of strength in order to break that downtrend. Well, it's actually, you can almost, one more day of strength to break that downtrend that started out there on the 19th. On the 19th out there of April, $41.93. We go take a look at an Eco Eagle. An Eco Eagle's done it. An Eco Eagle's basically showing us the way after Royal Gold. An Eco Eagle's up $1.27. You're trading $47.55. Good scene, man. You're over the swing point. Volume could be more. Bottom line, we'll take it, though, for what we have. That's saying an Eco Eagles now is going to make the run for $49.80. And this would be the second major gold that you could see that would break topside. Royal Gold broke topside big time on Tuesday. We went from a price point of $91.74. It's trading $95 right now, and it has some juice behind the move. Stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Dow right now is up 150. Nasdaq's up 75. S&P's up 21. Come right back.